Hello everyone. Today, we are excited to introduce our newest piece of equipment, the automated welding machine. The automated welding machine is a state-of-the-art piece of equipment that completely transforms the welding process. With its advanced technology and precision welding capabilities, it greatly enhances efficiency and accuracy in welding tasks. One of the main advantages of this machine is its automation feature. It is equipped with intelligent programming and controls, enabling it to perform precise welds automatically. This eliminates the need for manual labor and reduces the chances of errors or inconsistencies in the welds. By incorporating the automated welding machine into our production line, we can significantly increase productivity and streamline our processes. It allows us to perform high-quality welds consistently and efficiently, ensuring reliable and durable finished products for our customers.